Hey, greetings everyone. You're in the shop with Briz. In the last episode, which was episode 2 of this build, I was almost to the finish line, and today it's finished. Actually, it's been done for several days, but I've got my hardware on it to lock it down, got a handle to carry it. I have a place up here to stuff the extra mantles, and then room to store my camp lantern. I'm just using a piece of rope here on some eyelet hooks to hold the lid from falling open. But that's the only glitch that I have in it is this top nut has to match perfectly with this hole right here. And sometimes I think I have it figured out just like that. It's got to be, the bottom base has to be in this corner for some reason. The top is actually, if you look, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it kind of looks like it's got a tilt in it. I'll kind of rotate that and see if you can tell. But that's the hang up in it by not hitting this. If you got it turned in there a certain way, the top is leaning elsewhere. But I found if it's in the knob is at the front and I pull it all the way up here into this corner, I can close it. It's December 4th today, and I've got the door open to the shop. It's a gorgeous day today. I was even out there today with my ride mower chopping up some more leaves, but also been kind of doing some cleanup in the shop. And you know what, for the longest time you can actually see a concrete floor in here. So that's what I've been doing in my shop this week. I hope y'all have had a good week, and when you're in your shop, stay safe and make some sawdust. Hey, we'll see you later.